What did you think?
Man, it felt like I was like inside a Disney production with the way the music and everything. And, like, that was a trip. And then at first it was like a little something. I was like, okay, that's cute. And then all of a sudden it went big. I was like, oh,
Right.
there's something going on.
Yeah.
There's a lot going on.
Mm-hmm.
Man.
Talk to me.
Man. Man. That is awesome.
Yeah.
Fantastic. I like that. I felt like I was on a xylophone. Better than the hydro massage.
It's unbelievable, man. And if you just let you relax your body and just let
it go.
Let it go. That's what I was doing.
Is a good one there? It's a good one, huh?
Oh, wow.
Welcome back.
That was really nice.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Oh, man.
Y'all are in the route.
Interesting because I swear I could feel my body contracting and stretching.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and that was very
Kind of like the Matrix, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You feel the movement inside
Mm-hmm.
your organs.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
That was deep.